Welcome back to the channel. A while back I built a Dartmoor 26 player jump bike because I wanted to get into jump biking a bit, and recently I've bought a Kona Process mountain bike, and I love the mountain bike, I love the Kona, so I've been looking for a Kona Shonky jump bike basically to go with my mountain bike. I looked at the new ones, they're too expensive, and I've already got all the parts obviously, but I looked at just the frame and too expensive. So I scoured Facebook Marketplace and eBay, and I found a Kona Shonky 2009 for the grand total of 20 quid. I found a frame for. Some woman sold me it for 20 quid. It had a hole in where the V-brake mount had snapped off. So basically I've cut the other V-brake mount off. I'm going to get them welded up and just flat them off. This is it. I've stripped all the paint off. There's a couple of clips that will probably be even played now sometime of stripping the paint off, sanding it back, and then getting it ready for paint after it's been welded. And then probably the next 8 minutes or so of this video will be of building this bike up and building my new jump bike. So enjoy.